Hey Rush fam, so today we are taking a update on the Rogers. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush the Discovery Boss, and today we're taking a look at the Rogers right off Waterloo Road. Literally a minute from Half a Tree. So basically I can say this is in Half a Tree. So it's gonna be for a short while the tallest building in Jamaica. Is gonna be 20 floors of luxury apartments. And why I say a short while is because there's a lot of other construction that has started that is eventually gonna pass this 20 floor. Even the Pinnacle Ultra Luxury will have 4 towers of 28 floors. But they have not even reached floor 1 yet, I think. So as we speak, this is 20 floors. So it's currently the tallest, taking over from the Pegasus, which I think was 17 floors. So this is the Rogers. We're gonna fly the drone. It's a drone video, so stay tuned for some bird's eye view. Alright guys, and as usual, remember to leave your comment, remember to like, subscribe and share as well. There's a lot of older apartments and townhouses close by. There's also some single family homes as well close by, which I'm sure in a minute or two will be transforming these luxury apartments. What do you guys think? There's even one behind me. I'm gonna cross the road and show you. Behind me is about 1 or 2 single family homes which are currently for sale. So let me cross over on this. So that's Waterloo Road. So a very quick video. I've done some previous videos already on this location. I'll put one of the first video I did in the comments so you guys can see where it's coming from. So this is a single family home for sale, and one beside it as well. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the drone video.